Hi there, my name is Wakasi Ball. We are a team of Google Business and Google Map ranking experts. We optimize and do the best local SEO strategy to boost ranking on Google, to increase its visibility on Google search results, and to reach out more customers locally. It'll help your business to increase its leads and get more phone calls. We will help your local business grow using specific niche-based marketing strategies. Every day, millions of people search on Google for businesses like yours. Make your business profile stand out and turn those searches into your customers with Google My Business. Optimization of GMB listing with top local citations, top quality backlinks, and our secret steps are the perfect combination to rank your Google My Business or local business on Google. We help out thousands of businesses every month, and they're very happy to get their business on local pack or Google Map results. Our strategy is 100% white hat, Google friendly, and manual. So place your order now.